Christmas little world. So Christmas is round the corner, and if you haven't planned yet, if you haven't decorated your house yet, then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to share 5 Christmas decoration ideas which is super easy and you can do very easily. So without a further delay, let's start the video.
So idea number one is to decorate my center table. I'm going to share how I have decorated. It's a very simple and very easy decoration. First, I'm going to put a table mat based on the theme, that is red in color, red, golden, green, all this like Christmas related colors. And then I'm going to put a small tray, and these two are coasters, and this is a candle. And now I'm going to put some pine like ornaments. These are Christmas ornaments, like some balls and pine cones and all these things. I'm going to just simply decorate this place with all these things. Here my center table is ready for the festival. I keep it minimum so that I can keep our glasses and cups, everything, whatever we drink, sitting here. Here my idea number two is with the same place, like for my sofa. As you can see, it's dark black in color and all the walls and everything is white. So this place looks little black and white for me. So to keep little to add little bit color, I put here 2 cushions which are like again as the theme, like little red, green, golden, all these colors are there. So let's move to idea number 3. That's for my bedroom. This is my bedside table. Already I kept a table mat on this, but I want to put little bit of festive look to this place also. So here I am using one cake stand. On this stand I am putting here a wreath of artificial flower wreath, and on the top of this I am going to put 2 LED candles. LED candles give like original candles feelings, and again as my bedroom floors are made of wood, so keeping original candles could be little risky for this place, so this is absolutely perfect. This is how it looks like. Let's move to the idea number 4, that is my dining table decoration. My dining table is not a big one. Again, we need place to keep food, so I keep this place again minimal decorations. I put one red color table runner, and on top of this in some trays I am keeping the everyday essentials like salt and pepper shaker, coasters, then spoon fork set. And here I am going to use 2 wine glasses. Inside these glasses I am going to put Christmas decorations. These balls, I love this one. This looks really gives like a perfect festival look in the place, and it's awesome. So here the place is ready. I put 2 tea light candles on the top of the glasses. So this is like absolute perfect for my small tables. And next we move to idea number 5. So this place is my absolute favorite place, my balcony, and I'm going to decorate it with lights. And let me show you without telling. And here the rain is coming, so before that I have to decorate this place, so I'm going a little fast. So this is how I have decorated. I'm going to switch on the light in the evening and then I'm going to show you the final look of this place. So this is how it looks like at night. It's kind of a dreamy place for me now, and here is this moon. So it was looking absolutely like perfect for me.
This is how I have decorated my house for Christmas. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.